Hello everyone and welcome to another video. It's been a very long time since I've uploaded. It's because I am no longer living in South Africa and finally received what I've been waiting for. So, shall we open it up? And see what we got. Now, always been, and this is going to give it away a little bit, always been a big Intel fanboy. But you know, the current pricing on Intel, what you get for your money, that's another story. So let's have a look what we got. This will come in handy. Alright, first one here is my Corsair Vengeance DDR4 3600 MB RAM. Nice. Okay, and there's a giveaway. Ryzen 5. Transmission. Apologies for that. Ryzen 5. 3600 3rd gen CPU. What a baby. And pair that. Oh yeah. MSI Mortar Max b450m. The reason I went with them is because of my case I've got. It's only a micro ATX case. Hold on, let's show us over here. And I've heard some good things about the VRMs on these. Check out Boldroid. He's done some comprehensive testing on the VRMs on these. And for the price budget, Tomahawk is better than this in ATX form, and micro ATX form, the Mortar. Now, I'm sure you guys are all aware of the normal Mortar boards, so you want to know what the Max is for. So the Max is just a new version of it, which will support this baby straight out of the box. Nice. So let's unbox the motherboard first, shall we? Alright, we've got the motherboard. Oh, the beauty. She wants to come out. I think she wants to come out. There we go. I'll take some close-up shots just now. A little B-roll for you guys. You can see a bit better. Let's put that one side. And you know what else comes in the box is your SATA cables, IO shield, driver discs, ooh, and a nice MSI badge. Manuals, the normal. But now this is the baby I'm waiting for. Anyway, so we go to a little B-roll, and then the next video I'll put it into my case, which you guys can't see because it's behind the couch here underneath there. Let's go. All right, let's start with the build. Sorry for the camera angle, but yeah, small place. Shall we do this first? Sweet. I must be honest though, the one major thing I dislike about AMD CPUs over Intel is those fine little pins that you can break. Easy peasy. And these screwdrivers to remove those, eh? And you guys are going to ask why I don't apply thermal paste. Well, I want to see how good this thermal paste that's pre-applied to the cooler actually is. So I want to do a little test. The screws are on tight. Seems all right. No, this one didn't grab. Right, just make double sure all those are tight. It's tight. I'll clean this up later. Make it a little bit nice. Tight like that. Where did I put the M.2? AMD's beautiful. They are just gorgeous. Right. Now all those are in. I need to find where I put the M.2. Okay, back in a sec, pausing video. Okay, so I found my M.2. Now, my plan of action is going to be, got this, guys. So start this off. Alright. I don't know if you can see it because I see the camera is having a little bit of difficulty autofocusing there. Let's see if we can fix that a little bit. There we go. I don't think you like the angle. Alright, see, it is very dusty. I have to clean it out. Now in here I've got an old 4th Gen i5 RTX board. I think it was a Gigabyte H97N Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna strip that out and put this baby in there. Then we'll run some tests. I just need to find I guess where the screw is for that. Let's see if I include it in the motherboard. Normally they should. Yeah, there we go. Small little packet hidden in there. I'll change the tip. Yeah, that's more like it.
Incoming transmission.
This phone is going mad today. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon.